What's going on, y'all? We about to do some kicked up air fried chicken. So let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So of course, you know we had the rain on them, had to hit them with that salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, y'all. Season them up real good, y'all. And don't be stingy with it. You gotta taste that seasoning, y'all. Gotta taste it. After we get it seasoned up, we're gonna hit a pan with some olive oil. Go ahead and get our chicken in. And this is really more about crisping that skin. Getting that skin good and crispy. And of course, while it's in there, we gonna go ahead and season this side up too, y'all, with that same seasoning. In about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken, we gonna go ahead and get a flippy flip and get that other side brown. Now on this side, after about 2 minutes, we gonna go ahead and get it off. And then we gonna get into an air fryer, set at 375 degrees. And we just gonna keep it in this air fryer till we reach that magic temp, 165, y'all. We're really 175 on these thighs because these are thighs, y'all. They're gonna cook a little bit longer than that breast. Just my opinion. You know, you can do 165, it's safe to eat, but I think 175 is better. But anyway, it's time to taste this chicken, y'all. Oh my gosh, this thing is hot. It's a little bit too hot, y'all. A little bit too hot. But let me go ahead and stop procrastinating and go ahead and give this good chicken a good taste. And oh yeah, so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.